Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this DIY, I want to take two of these Dollar Tree mirrors and make a perfume bottle. So to get started, you want to go ahead and remove the sticker and the tabs like I did off this one. I have some Gorilla Glue because I want a really strong glue. I have some tower blocks. So I'm going to use these two mirrors and tower blocks to build my perfume box. I'm going to line these up and I want to put them near the edge. When you line these up, you'll notice that you will have some gaps, but don't worry about that because we're going to cover that up. Try to glue them down as straight as you can. Now this is a little off and that's fine because this is where I'm going to be putting my top and I want the middle to be completely secure. Alright, so I'm going to let this dry for about 30 minutes so it don't move. I'm going to come back and then glue this on top. Okay, off camera I went ahead and put some mirror towels all the way around except for here. Now when I put the blocks on there I did have some openings, so to cover those openings I cut a strip poster board and put it over it to make it completely smooth across so that my mirror towel won't sink into the hole. Glue that on there with some Fix-All glue. Now I'm going to add some Fix-All glue on top. And this is the very top. So now I have all the way around. Okay guys, so I know everyone was really excited about how I used that rectangular shaped water globe to create the top for the Diamonds and Pearls Chanel perfume bottle that I created using two frames. Here's an alternative if you can't find it. You just so happen to have some of these small clear ornaments. Yeah, I picked these up from Michael's. They were on clearance. Just going to take the top off here and I have some electrical tape. And I'm just going to use that to center my ornament like that. I also have some vegetable glycerin, some distilled water, I have some chunky glitter, and then I have some really fine glitter. And I have the small bottle of vanilla extract, and the reason I have that is because I want to use the top from this to put on top of my globe. Now I have a Pyrex to pour my water in. Haven't tried this yet, I'm trying it on camera. In my mind it should work, so let's put some glitter into the ornament. Now I'll add some fine glitter inside. I want to make sure this lip and all this is completely clear of glitter. So now I'm going to pour a little bit of water into this Pyrex. And now I'll pour it into the globe. And I have about that much. I'm not measuring. Now I'm going to put some of my vegetable glycerin. Now I know this is a whole lot more expensive than $1. But if you just want to have that look, and if you plan on making these to resell or give to a family member, you know, you might want to make a few. So if you do, you know, it's not so bad then. And I filled it up almost to the very top. Now as for this top, I've already removed the little paper tab inside. Now I need to clean the vanilla out of it. Now it's a little bit snug. Alright, so now I'm going to take some of this Gorilla Glue, put it inside my cap and around the base. Guys, so I still have this drying and I cannot wait to put it on top of here. So now I'm just going to add like some dripping glitter down the front of this just to do something different. Here I'm just going across the top, laying it on kind of thick so it starts dripping. And I want to put some right on the corners too. Now you can encourage the drip as well. You just keep adding it on. And encouraging the drip. So now I have some paper down. And I have my glitter. And then I'm just going to pour my glitter over top of it. So I'm going to set that there and let that completely dry. And then I'll come back tomorrow and put everything together. Alright, so it's completely dry. So now all I do is just brush away all the excess glitter onto this paper. And here's our snow globe. It's not leaking or anything. And glue this right on top. Now honestly, I was going to use a different top for this. And it was going to be one of the crystal knobs. And then I thought about trying to make one of these for you guys. So if you want to do this, instead of using one set of blocks, use two and make it a little bit wider so it sits sturdy. But yeah, this is pretty much something I had in mind and I want to see if I can create it. But like I said before, you can use one of the crystal knobs for this particular size and it'll be just fine. I'm going to let this completely dry. Okay, so while it's drying, I'm going to go ahead and take the plastic off here. And I have this paper that I picked up from Michael's and I'm going to cover it. This is going to be the top to our nail polish bottom. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just wrap this around the cone. Do is put some hot glue on here. And I'm going to pull it, make it tight. And cut a straight line up. That's what it looks like, and it's gonna go on just like that later. Now y'all know I went ahead and cut those ends off, so we need to cover that up. I'm gonna take some hot glue. This is the back, so I'm going to go ahead and put this on it like this. Now I think I want to trim this out too, just to make it a little bit more fancy. Okay, since I want this to be a more blinkier nail polish, I'm going to mix some of this pink glitter and Mod Podge together and then brush it on. I have some gems, and I'm just going to hot glue some of the gems on there. Okay, so this is what it looks like after I'm done putting the rhinestones on there. But I'm going to go ahead and add one of my Chanel logos on there. And just like I promised you, 2 super easy DIYs. So I'm finally back and I'm actually working again. So I want to take this time to thank you all for all the love that you've shown me in the comments and on my lives. I truly appreciate it, guys. So stick around. I have more DIYs coming really soon. I think you guys will enjoy those as well. Okay, everyone, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.